Welcome back, everyone. So last episode we made this punch sheet steel to make these flowers. This thing has definitely sped up my flower production rate, but I still got one major issue. So having this thing's been absolutely amazing. I've punched a hole in each of these, lickety-split. The issue I'm having is putting the detail in these petals. So yeah, it takes anywhere between 2 and 3 decades. Alright, so I think a guillotine tool is going to save me a lot of time. It's definitely a tool I've caught myself wishing I had in the past. Just so many different applications it can be used for. So specifically for this project, I'll be making the tool itself and a pair of dies that will have on the surface texture that I want to put on the petals. And I'll just be able to transfer it onto the petals themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting pieces out and we can get going. Alright, so I welded the first of 2 guides onto the, anyway, I welded them directly on the striking die, that way I'd get some tight tolerances, and as you can see, it's a little too tight. I'm going to file out this. So it turns out, if you put it on the right way, it actually works, so I won't need to do nearly as much filing as I thought I would. Even closer. Oh, that would work too. There we go. Ooh. Alright, she ain't pretty, but she's functional. I'm also going to weld a small piece of round stock on the inside in between the die and the support here to help guide it down. There's a little too much play for my liking at the moment. Yeah, just a couple more finishing touches and we should be ready to texture the faces of the dies. Or die. How do you pronounce that? Look, I can hear you laughing at my welds through the camera, but look at. Alright, look, this baby right here can pump out 20 wrinkles on one of these pedals in a second. If I'm lucky, I can connect the crosspeen to one of these pedals maybe once every 2 seconds. So I'm going to call this both functional and an educational success. And the more practice I have welding, the better. So, alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more fun videos like this. I'm definitely going to be getting my use out of that guillotine tool in the coming weeks. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to check out some of my other ones. I got a bunch of others just like this with different projects, go figure. And if you like all those, you might as well just subscribe.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Oh, hey. The show's over. You know, I just resorted to memes. I figured you'd get the hint. Alright, well, if you're at the tail end of this video, I can only assume that you do enjoy these videos. And the best way to support this channel and keep videos like this rolling is by buying a railroad spike knife from LeShaneSteel.com. So just click on the link there and get yourself or a loved one a brand new, shiny railroad spike knife. This one is not new, it's not done yet, but the finished ones are on the site. So you can go ahead and check that one out. Okay, show's over.